From an officer punching a teen in the face to another choking his own colleague, today we're discussing shocking cases of police aggression. In January 2022, things took an unexpected turn during a routine traffic stop. Chris Faria, who was driving, admitted to running a stop sign. This admission led to tension when Deputy Christine Newman from Camden County stopped her and requested Faria to exit the vehicle.
I really don't. But when I tell you to get out of the vehicle, you are to get out of the vehicle. So get out of the vehicle.
What are you saying? 23.
Are you kidding me? Get out of the vehicle right now.
Just hit the damn front of the vehicle.
Get out of the vehicle. Get out of the Get out! Get out of my car! Right now, get out! Get out of the car! Get out!
Deputy, warning she'd break the car window if Faria didn't exit. Losing her temper, she forcibly pulled Faria out of the car and pushed her to the ground.
Taser, taser, taser!
Get out!
Roll over, now!
Get out! Dad! Come on, stop! I got him and fell.
Give me a hand.
Oh my God! They're gone away.
When a second officer arrived, tensions escalated as Faria resisted being handcuffed. The male officer quickly used a taser without hesitation.
Hold on to her.
As they approached Deputy Christine's patrol car, she unexpectedly struck Faria in the face. Not just once, but twice. Then, to make matters worse, she forcefully pushed Faria's head against the squad car once more.
It's all right, you're okay. Relax.
I just wanted her to step out of the car so I could talk to her about her. We already discussed it. I'm so mad. I'm so like, where did that even come from?
You good? I was coming.
I know. I don't know where that came from. Honestly, she would not get out of the car.
You do what you gotta do, okay?
No,
she was non-compliant. You did what you had to do to get her.
The officer was suspended for 2 days and then had to undergo a probationary period. A year later, a grand jury officially accused Deputy Christine of serious crimes, including aggravated assault and abusing her position's trust. As a result, Deputy Christine lost her job. In our next case, we discuss a shocking incident that unfolded on November 19th, 2021. While apprehending a resisting suspect, Sunrise Police Sergeant Christopher Pulse did the unthinkable. He almost choked his junior colleague to death in a fit of aggression.
Watch your head getting into the car.
Ah, miss, can you stop pulling the cup?
Just get in the car and you'll be fine.
Get in the car. Get in the car.
Pulling the cup on my wrist. I
Once
can't
you get in the
move.
car, she'll let go.
So what's he saying, pulling?
So just get in the car.
She's gonna break my wrist.
All right, just get in the car.
Can y'all just tell her to stop?
Okay, get in the car. That's
Get
it.
in the car.
Just get in the car.
All right, I'm getting in.
Get your feet in. Hey, look at me. Look at me. Look at me. You want to play games? You play with the wrong mother.
What you gotta do, man? You gonna mace me, mace me.
Look at me, mother. You want to play games? You ever get disrespectful with my officers, I will remove your soul from your body.
Do it. Do what you gotta do.
No. Just let it be.
I don't understand that.
We clear?
Yes, sir.
And I'll see you in about 5 minutes.
The junior officer who stepped in to defend the suspect found herself choked, threatened, and nearly pepper sprayed. But justice caught up with the enraged officer. He was charged with battery and assault on a law enforcement officer, assault on a civilian, and tampering with evidence by deleting texts and intimidating witnesses into silence. The next case was a high-stakes showdown between tribal police and jail officials, each vying for control of a suspect.
Are you somebody with little... You
On December 18, 2023, officers from the Lighthouse Police Department, a tribal unit, raided Uli County Jail to serve an arrest warrant on a non-native man they'd previously detained. The operation faced fierce resistance.
I'm not taking it. You guys are taking it. I'm not taking it. County Central, do not roll my pre-book in the Sally Port door.
Well, we can stay here all day.
That's what we're going to do until you take them out of my building.
I'm not taking it.
Sir, you're not taking it.
You're the one committing crime, not
No,
us.
I'm not, sir. I have not accepted them in my facility yet.
Tribal law enforcement officers usually handle cases involving tribal members, but the suspect they were after was non-native, which placed him outside their jurisdiction. The sheriff's office held the authority here. Yet, the tribal officers continued their pursuit with determination.
He's not in my custody.
Open this.
What is happening here? What is going on?
As the tribal officers pressed on to break in, jail staff stepped in, sparking a heated and chaotic standoff.
Are you somebody with little... You're gonna put your hands on him? No. Don't put your hands on the captain.
Don't, come on.
Sir. Nope.
Out of my building, gentlemen. You're going to go with us, I promise.
See, you keep putting on him.
Hands off of him. Don't you put your hands on.
That's all my deal is.
You put your hands on me first.
Actually, that's a few else. Not a lot of folks.
Your ass is going too.
They're refusing to take it.
Yeah, we don't recognize that you already exist.
Okay, it's the state of Oklahoma.
That's not an option.
It is a director saying they're not.
The director of Fleet?
The tribal officers were forced to retreat from the prison, but soon after, arrest warrants were issued for the prison staff on charges of assaulting a law enforcement officer. The next case was a wild clash of egos that nearly spiraled into chaos.
You're not going to talk about chief like that, sir. That's not going to happen.
You can get the out of my face. I don't give a who you are.
On January 30th, 2024, a Lexington police officer clocked a speeding car and pulled it over. But when he got closer, he was taken aback by the driver he was about to confront.
Hello.
Are you sure? I'm going to SWAT call.
Okay, sir, this is Polio. Could you do an 85 and a 55?
I was going.
Going where?
Call out.
Where we going?
Your SWAT call out right over here.
I didn't know we had one.
We have an armed guy barricaded in the house. Used to be a police officer. And
where at?
Right down here on.
Here in Lexington?
Yeah.
We have an armed person we don't know about. All right, I'll call our chief and let him know.
Cleveland County Sheriff Chris Amerson was caught speeding en route to a SWAT call. To his surprise, the Lexington Police Department had no clue about the emergency. When Amerson called his chief for answers, the confusion only grew. Within minutes, he and Lexington Police Chief Ronnie Johnson arrived at the standoff. Johnson, clearly frustrated by the lack of communication, made his displeasure known.
Someone want to tell me what the fuck is going on?
Tom right here.
Where's Captain Tom? Captain Hawk. Yeah. Where's the name?
Excuse me, sir.
What's going on here? We realized that I'd like to know what's going on in my own damn city. We would have notified you, sir. We would have? Yeah. Well, hold on. I've been down there at the PD all day. According to the call, it says Lexington was notified they refused to respond because of the call.
Sit down here, guys.
Okay, I don't know who the said that. First of all, sir, I know you're the chief. I'm just telling you the call. I don't appreciate all of this going on and nobody notified me a damn thing about it.
With tensions soaring from the standoff, the Cleveland County deputies began to retreat. But the Lexington cop with the body camera wasn't done yet.
Okay. I'm sorry, what's your name?
If you want, got my ass later.
Sir.
He's a lieutenant.
I am too. You're not going to talk about chief like that, sir. That's not going to happen.
You can get the out of my face. I don't give a who you are. Okay? This is my county, too.
Back up, man. Back up. No, you don't.
He just said, what the fuck's going on?
This is going to be good.
According to the call,
You need to stop.
Lexington PD was notified.
Chill out. Back up. Everything's going to be okay. but you need to back up.
I get it that you're riled up, dude.
Negative.
But this right here ain't what
We're not going to be disrespectful here.
Okay.
Sheriff, you need to back up out of my face, sir. You have no authority.
You're not going to tell me what to do, mother. You're not going to get in my sheriff's face, just like you told me.
Get your hands off me, man. Back up, John.
Hey, pull him back.
No, he
He's in
just
the
came over
sheriff's
my face
face.
and said the same
He's
shit.
getting ready to go to jail.
Stop.
He's getting ready to go to jail.
Stop.
Both of you need to back off. This is our operation. We're something like that. Understand?
Oh, yeah. Perfectly clear.
Go 10-8.
Perfectly clear. Come on.
Just to run that.
Chief Johnson intervened to pull his officer away, while Sheriff Amerson ordered them to leave. The tension didn't escalate, but it's clear both agencies have some underlying problems.